Welcome to our distinguished guest, to our neighbors of the local area, and to each of you for joining us on this historic day. On behalf of the Tenzin Gyatso Institute and our co-host, Rigpa Fellowship, we are absolutely delighted you've chosen to help us celebrate this momentous, even historic day. The inaugural teachings by Sogyal Rinpoche at the place he founded to advance the aims and ideals of His Holiness Tenzin Gyatso, the 14th Dalai Lama.
Sogyal Rinpoche from day one has always been there, very loyal, very devoted to His Holiness. I have been involved from the beginning. This is Sogyal Rinpoche's mandala offering to His Holiness, the whole institute. And I will certainly remain involved and do whatever I can. But this is not something that, we can't do alone. We need your participation, we need your help. There's no doubt that this institute, has a tremendous relevance to the future of whole, mankind.
It's a program designed to bring the best and the brightest young Tibetan monastic scholars to American universities, where they would be engaged in a course of study that it would include neuroscience, biology, physics, philosophy, psychology, world religions.
These great Nalanda scholars, Nagarjuna, Aryadewa, Basubant, Arya Asanga, all these, if they come today, I'm quite sure they will learn some science, no question. I'm sure, their support is there, I feel, and Buddha himself also.
Since they asked me to give the name for the trail, I was thinking maybe to call it Path of Peace and Compassion. Path of Peace and Compassion, which His Holiness embodies also.